this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people in 1Password. So depending on the plan that you have, you will be able to invite others to 1Password. And it requires for you to have at least a family plan to be able to invite people to 1Password. But once you have that account that allows you to add people or invite people to 1Password, to invite them is pretty easy. Just simply click on invitation or people on the left hand side in the admin console, and you'll be able to add people. So from the people section, you will see the invite people at the top. You click on that, you enter their email address, and so you'll be able to invite them, and you can invite them as a guest if you want as well, and then click the invite button. When you're in the invitation section, you can click invite by email. You have the same box up here. You enter the email address, choose whether you want to invite them to the family member plan or you want to invite them as a guest, and you can invite them. And that's all that you have to do. You send them and you'll be able to see the invitations here, and you can always resend it. If they are not able to see the invitation that you send, you can resend those invitations right here. But that's it.